So do you always take everybody in the shower, like on your tours?
I do. It's funny. Yes. I was in a shower with a strange man
today. Hi, everybody. How you guys doing? I'm sitting here with my buddy Carlos. He is at Mariposa. And today he's going to tell us a little bit about Mariposa himself and why Pulte is the best home builder out there. Right, Carlos?
Absolutely, Alex. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Absolutely.
Yeah, Pulte's a phenomenal company. Just a general overview. We've been in business now over 70 years nationally, one of the largest national builders, helped over 750,000 families own homes. And we are the largest and most popular builder here in New Mexico for the last 3 consecutive years. So more families are buying Pulte's than any other builder for a number of great reasons. And out here at Mariposa, Alex, we've got just a beautiful lifestyle, and that's really the key. There are a couple key items in lifestyle: quality and energy efficiency are the 3 top items here. Now at Mariposa, at Pulte here at Redondo at Mariposa, we are the only neighborhood that is right next to the amenity center. So you can walk to our amenity center in 2 minutes. It's right next door. We've built a little walkways and gates so that you can get to it very quickly. So that way, if you're swimming or your family's swimming or working out, you don't have to change before you get back in your car and drive home. You can just walk right home, possibly even be dried off by the time you're done. So in the amenity center, we've got 2 pools, swimming pools. We've got an indoor and an outdoor pool. The indoor is open all year round. The outdoor pool is a heated pool that's open seasonally, Labor Day, Memorial Day. There's a big gym in a workout center, which is awesome. There's a yoga room. They offer yoga classes, karate classes, and all kinds of things.
Did you take your yoga class this morning, Carlos?
What's that?
Did you do your yoga class this morning, Carlos?
I did not, but very likely when I get home.
Perfect.
Also, there's a huge park, an immense park right at the amenity center. There's basketball, swing sets, slides, covered pavilion eating area. So there's a lot of activities. There's tons of trails, miles of trails throughout the Mariposa community. And then also our community here, Alex, is a gated community. So we are
you're like you're the only gated in Rio Rancho new construction right now, aren't you?
Well, no, but we there's another gated community out here in Mariposa, but they're almost done. So they're going to be moving out here very quickly.
Hey, quick question on your amenity center. I can't even say that word. Amenity?
Yeah, just say Clubhouse.
The Clubhouse. Is this like open to everybody in Rio Rancho, or is this an exclusive Mariposa Clubhouse?
No, that's a great question. It is exclusive only to Mariposa. The folks that live here, and it's included in the HOA. Now, the HOA at Redondo here is only $125 a month, and that includes full access to the amenity center. They also take care of our security gates, and then they maintain the streets in our community here, and they maintain the common area landscaping. So you get a lot for your money, Alex.
No, that sounds really good, actually. I'm excited. So tell us about the house that we're going to be looking at, Carlos.
Sure. Well, we offer a number of floor plans. We offer 7 different floor plans, 5 1-stories and 2 2-stories. This is our most popular plan called the Parklane. And it starts at about 2,400 square feet. And this particular one, we're going to see at about 2,650, Alex, because we did add a suite to the home, which we'll see in a minute. But this is an absolutely beautiful home. It's our most popular 1-story floor plan in the entire Pulte State Division here in New Mexico. So we're going to start with the first 2 bedrooms as we walk into the home. Now, naturally, if the home is flipped, these bedrooms would be on the other side. But in our model, this is how they're set up. So we have 2 awesome bedrooms and 2 closets here. So if we look in the first bedroom, you can go right in there. Alex, go ahead on in. So we've got a bedroom. This bedroom is to the front of the home, of course. And then also we've got walk-in closets in all of the bedrooms.
Ooh.
So this one is to the front, naturally. Quite enough room for a nice double bed, end tables. And then right next to that, these 2 bedrooms share a full bath. And we do have room for 2 sinks there, Alex, if you'd like to put 2 in. One comes with 1. And then the standard here is going to be a tub and a shower.
Okay.
In this bathroom, we did option a full shower, which is available, and then we did some tiling option as well.
I love the subway tiles. That's just such a clean
That's really
look.
pretty. We also upgraded to the optional granite in that bathroom as well.
We gotta
And
make
we've
it
got a
look pretty.
linen closet right there. We're passing, and you can go right into this next bedroom.
You can never
This is
have too
really
many linen closets, can you, Carlos?
Oh, closet space is a
Oh my
premium, isn't
gosh.
it? So we've got a beautiful bedroom here as well. Again, a nice big walk-in closet for
Let's see if I can
kids,
get
for
that.
guests, what have you.
Oh yeah,
Yep,
that's
there
great.
you go. You can take a full look through. Also then, if we go back out into the hallway, you see this is quite nice too, because this area right here, Alex, is great for a teen adult or kids, or if somebody wants this side, this wing of the home as their own, they could use one of the bedrooms as a bedroom and the other as their own little living room. And they could have a little bit of extra privacy and space.
Or like, we've had right now, a lot of people having to work from home. So, like I was telling you, I'm hiding here in my master bedroom corner. That would be great just to be able to have an extra room to work. Did you want to go this way now?
Yep, we're heading over here. If you look immediately to the right, you'll see the door to the garage. And then also the laundry room is immediately to the left there. Why don't you go and take a peek at the laundry room?
What are our options on a garage?
Well, all the garages in Pulte, in Mariposa here, are going to be at least a 2.5 car garage tandem. Okay. So we've got 2 full cars in width, and then on one side we go extra deep. So on a few of our homes, we give you an extra half garage, Alex, and then in the garden gate and this home, the Parklane, we give an extra full garage. So this home comes with 3 full car tandem garage.
Okay, so this
now
would be the third bay garage. This would be the third stall?
Yes.
Okay,
exactly.
Perfect.
Exactly. We took the third bay and we turned this into an optional suite, which has its own full walk-in closet and a beautiful bathroom if you want to go in there and take a look as well. Now you're looking at our standard bath that's included with a high-quality molded fiberglass surround and tub, and a cultured marble sink, and a commode, of course. So this is quite convenient for
and a commode's always included, right, Carlos?
I beg your pardon?
The commode's always included?
Yes, of course. In the bathroom. We do have a couple of upgrades to the commodes. We have some higher elevation commodes as well that are available.
Like you said, a walk-in closet. That's awesome.
Yep, it's a great spot for in-laws or for maybe an older teen, or just as a guest room if you have a lot of family and friends coming to visit you.
That is nice. Are we 8-foot doors on some of these?
Well, the 8-foot doors are an option in all of our homes. They're available. Mm-hmm.
So these are 8-foot doors in this house, yes?
These are 8. The 6'8" is included, and then we can option up to the 8-foot. And then also what we're seeing is optional soft arch. So normally the arches, like we're seeing right in front of us,
so this area
would be
right
square here? Across. Exactly. So we've optioned this curved arch. And then we've also optioned the French doors we're seeing here to the study on the left. Normally that would be open, but we did option French doors, which are available. So they have a really huge study, den, kind of TV room, game room, however you want to use this, formal dining room.
I was wrong, Carlos. I don't need to use one of those other bedrooms for an office. I got this space right here.
There you are. Well, if a number of your family members need their own office, this would be a great space, and they could also use one of the other bedrooms if they wanted out.
Well, I got 6 kids, so I probably have to turn everything into a bedroom.
Holy smokes. So if you want to
gorgeous.
turn around completely here, I think you backed into the half bath. So we have a really nice powder bath right in the middle of the home. So nobody has to use the other bathrooms. So they can remain private, and your guests can simply use this one that's in the middle of the home.
I like that. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, this is phenomenal.
Wow.
Just go one step forward and you'll see this incredibly open, great room.
Which way do you want to go? Should we go left,
cafe? First? Either way, whatever you want to do. So we've optioned this beautiful fireplace in the middle of our great room here with the floating cabinets. So that's all one option with the cat. We also offer a fireplace in the corner, in that back left corner.
Gotcha.
Near the circles over there. Okay. So that's an available option as well.
This is nice.
And yeah, most of our buyers love this feeling of space. It's one of the most open plans I've ever seen. And so it just flows so well for families.
The big open doors into the patio.
Yep. Now that is an option because we do have in the cafe area a very large sliding glass door. So
what do you call the cafe area, Carlos? Is that
the dining room area? The dining area, the nook area to the back.
Let's go check that out real quick.
It's a huge, huge dining area. You can put an enormous table in there, china cabinets, buffets, the whole works, and there's a ton of light with all these windows. And right there, you're seeing our sliding glass door. Now that's the included sliding glass door, Alex. The other one's an option. But we do also include this huge covered patio at no extra cost.
And I would recommend to anybody, get these big sliding doors. Those are just amazing.
They are awesome.
I mean, what do we got? 350 days of sun out here. I mean, we can keep those open 9 months out of the year. They're just gorgeous. I like those a lot.
So let's take a look at the kitchen. We have this huge island, which is included. Just absolutely beautiful.
I could put all my kids at the island. Look at that.
What's that?
I think I could have all my kids sit at the island.
Yeah, I bet you could. You could probably easily get 5 stools there if they're not too wide.
If my kids aren't too wide, or the stools?
Very funny. So, yeah, this one we've upgraded to what we call our culinary kitchen, where we've done the wall ovens and an additional oven underneath the cooktop with the hanging vent hood also in all stainless.
Look like a KitchenAid appliances, am I right?
We have upgraded. We do provide the Whirlpool as standard, and then we have a premium level and the KitchenAid. So you have a good eye. Yep. Beautiful set of appliances.
I like the KitchenAid stuff. All right. I don't think we can see the pantry. I'm assuming it's an impressive pantry.
It is. It's a bit bigger than your normal pantry, so it is a walk-in, and it has a little extended depth to it as well. So these cabinets, if I might, Alex, we do upgrade. The white is an upgrade, but we have a tremendous number of cabinet styles, flooring styles, tile, carpet, interior paint, countertops, many, many, many different styles to choose from. You can really personalize the dickens out of your Pulte home.
You know, one of the things that you guys are doing, and I'm seeing more common, is like that cafe. I love that because it's an open concept, but you still have its own space. So it doesn't get all echoey, and it's just a great, great layout like that. I really, really like that. That is very
I agree. Cool. And Alex, what you can do too is folks can use that open study as a formal dining room if they have an additional dining set.
Oh no, that's a bedroom. I told you, I got to use it for a bedroom.
Okay.
Use it for dining. This is
all right.
great.
Let's head to the master. Go ahead to the right there.
Oh, there's another room still?
Yes, indeed.
I kind of forgot about the master.
Beautiful owner's suite, where we have a nice little foyer entry here. It just breaks up, so the owner's suite does not look directly into the main living area.
And I got to tell you, as a parent, having the rooms separated like this, I mean, this is the complete other side of the house. That's a brilliant layout.
Exactly. I have to agree. It's absolutely beautiful. So we did option the windowsills in this home as well.
Gotcha.
You can see. And then we do also offer a door. You're not seeing a door here to the owner's suite bath, but we do offer that as an option as well for folks who want that.
Oh.
Now on this particular home, Alex, we've optioned the big walk-in shower, what we call our framed walk-in shower. Some people might call it a snail shower. This absolutely glorious, huge shower, and it comes included with the rain shower head over. So if you want to enter in there, I do believe they have, you can go right into it. Yep. Have 3 big windows for extra light up top, but added privacy because you can't see in to anybody.
And you don't have the glass door you've got to wash and clean. This is
exactly. And there's also a seat there as well, and area for your shampoos and soaps. So it's a very convenient area.
So do you always take everybody in the shower, like on your tours?
I do. It's funny. Yes. I was in a shower with a strange man today. We'll all stand in the shower to show how big it is.
Like if we had $1 every time we've said that.
Right.
Let's see. I like this. And you know what's funny?
Counter area.
I'm not seeing a lot of people upset about not having the tubs anymore. That seems to be a thing of the past. As long as one room has a tub, it makes sense. Most of the time I talk to people, oh yeah, I've never even used that jacuzzi. I don't even know if it works anymore. So I'm glad you guys
keep in mind that we do offer a tub and shower option in these
if somebody wants it, they could have it, which is good.
Absolutely.
Oh wow, nice closet.
Now, one thing here with this little section to the right, Alex, if you just go to the right smidge, yes, that pop-out section right there is actually the shower in the suite. So if a buyer does not get that extra suite and they just keep the garage space, that would actually go, this section we're looking at would go all the way to the back and give you even more room in this already large master closet.
Good to know. This is very nice.
It is beautiful. That's One of the reasons I work for this company, just the best quality, phenomenal energy efficiency. These homes are all green built certified for extra efficiency and comfort, Alex. Just incredible energy savings. And you know that you're lowering your carbon footprint, so you're helping the environment as well.
All right, Carlos, the people want to know, how much is it? What's your range on this floor plan?
This floor plan is going to start at $333,990 presently.
What?
And we often have some great build specials. So I would say, have the buyers contact you, Alex, and then you can put them in touch with me or bring them out, and we can share any specials that we have at any given time as well.
Awesome. This is a beautiful house. So just your overall Mariposa, what price range are you guys starting at? What's kind of your range?
Absolutely. I'm glad you asked. We start at 1,790 square feet, but that home actually feels like about 22,000 to 2,100 is what I'm told quite often. So we're starting at $274,990, okay. And then for our largest two-story, the base price at $263,990. So naturally, we would add options to those. And but again, as I mentioned, right now we have a great build special.
And so honestly, just keeping everything in perspective, this is very competitive to areas that don't have the clubhouse, that aren't gated, that don't have all the other features. I mean, it's a good value. I like this.
Absolutely.
Nice.
Absolutely. You pay a little bit more on the homeowner association, but you get tremendous value. And now you don't need a gym membership or a pool membership, and you've got it all right next door.
And I think most people don't mind paying if they see the value. That's the part that kills me on my HOA. I pay what I pay. I don't see the value. I don't have a clubhouse or a swimming pool, and I'm paying $70 a month. So it's just, it's all relative. So I agree with you. It seems like a good value.
Alex, just one last item. A lot of people think that Mariposa is really far out because there's not a lot of construction between here and the main shopping areas, but we're only 9 minutes from shopping in Bernalillo. Oh, wow. To the super Walmart, Home Depot. You've got Dion's Pizza, all the different restaurants and stores and banks and linens and things and all kinds. And then it gives you also easy access to I-25 to get up to Santa Fe or downtown. And a lot of our buyers that live here do work at the base. So they really enjoy this because it's just a quick shot down I-25. So then also down Unser, it's only a 13-minute drive down to the other super Walmart and the 14-screen digital theater. You've got nails places, all kinds of great stuff down there. But we're only about 6-7 minutes from the brand new University of New Mexico hospital on Paseo de Volcan. So we have medical very close by here as well. So we're a lot closer to some great things than you'd think.
So yeah, realistically, the geographic center of Rio Rancho is where the city center is. And you guys are what, 6 minutes from that, you said?
Exactly.
So in perspective, yeah, you guys are in a great location. The other thing I like about that area, though, is, I mean, you're not getting the light pollution. You're far enough. The mountain looks beautiful from there. The stars are bigger. It does have appeal. It absolutely does have appeal.
It is. It's a glorious area out here, and it's just so peaceful that a lot of our buyers comment, a lot of our visitors comment. They say, it's so peaceful out here. It's just great.
Absolutely. Carlos, thank you, sir. I appreciate it. And I'll put a link to this video for people to take a look at. And I've got a link to Carlos as well with his information. So if you guys have questions for him, please reach out to him. And if you guys have questions for me, I am more than happy to help you out. All right, guys. Bye.